Alicante, situated in the center of the Costa Blanca, is one of the most significant tourist attractions on Spain's east coast. The various golf courses, as well as the calm waters of the Mediterranean Sea, contribute to the attractiveness of this lovely harbor city, which stands at the foot of the castle of Santa Barbara, a quiet testimony to the many civilizations that have lived here. The strategic location of Alicante, directly on the east coast, has resulted in the establishment of the major Mediterranean civilizations over the ages. Phoenicians, Greeks, Romans, and later Arabs arrived on this coastline, seeking for new commercial routes, while also adding to the city's character. The Benacantil mountain, a rocky peninsula topped by the Santa Barbara castle, flanks the city and its harbor. The castle, which is of Arab origin, has the traces of all the numerous people that the city has housed, despite the fact that a large portion of the current structure dates only from the 16th century. From the top of the historic walls, you may enjoy a commanding view over the entire city, as well as the magnificent coastline and several kilometers of lovely countryside. At the foot of this fortress, the old walled city was created. The Gothic church of Santa Mara from the 16th century, located on the top of an ancient Arab mosque, is one of the most beautiful buildings in this network of small streets and alleys. Across from the cathedral lies the 17th century Casa de la Segurada Museum, which has a significant collection of modern art by artists like Joan Miró, Pablo Picasso, and Eduardo Chillida. The ancient district at the foot of the fortress hides an interesting religious and civil architectural history, including the famous Explanada de Espa, Spain Boulevard, a popular leisure place for local residents. Alicante is also a place rich in traditions, such as the Moors and Christians festivals and the Night of San Juan. Rice takes the main stage in Alicante's delicious cuisine, prepared in a million various ways. Alicante's vibrancy lasts all year, as this city is a popular tourist destination. Part of the reason for this is undoubtedly its closeness to San Juan beaches, which are only a few kilometers away, as well as the lovely cities of Santa Pola, Torrevieja, Altea, Denia, and others. In any of them you may discover a variety of accommodation options. The Alicante coastline is without a doubt the city's favorite recreational area. The Explanada de Espa promenade, across from the harbor, is a vibrant avenue lined with terraces and pavement cafes. A more contemporary recreational area stretches along the port's breakwater, where several bars and restaurants can be found. Next to both of these is the urban beach of El Postiguet, a good location for relaxing in the sun and sea. However, a trip to these areas would be incomplete without tasting the excellent rice dishes prepared in a variety of unique ways. Arroz a banda, rice with fish. Arroz negro, black rice with cuttlefish. Arroz al horno, baked rice, and so on. Seafood is also incomparable. These meals pair nicely with wines, with the designation of origin Alicante, a famous seal of quality and the region awarded in Spain to select wines and products, among which Font de Leon, an ancient fruit liqueur perfect for dessert. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.